Hi, welcome to Forex in 4. I'm Mike Conlon for FXEDU, and in the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you the highlights of where the action is in today's Forex market. So let's get started.
Good morning. Today is Friday, October 29th, 2010. Happy Halloween to all of you. Just want to get you up to speed, starting the video a little bit early here today because the big news in the market just came out, and I just wanted to just kind of address it right here. We're taking a quick peek at Euro USD, and it looks like we had US GDP numbers come out, which we were expecting at 8:30 this morning. Now, it looks like the numbers came in just about as expected, showing GDP growth of around 2%. Okay, now it looks like the market is showing that a little bit of dollar weakness. You can see as evidenced by the euro here. Let's just check the Aussie. Looks like Aussie, same deal. We've got Aussie rising versus dollar. Okay, so we've got some dollar weakness across the board. Now, I guess what this means is that perhaps the market was expecting that GDP figure may come in a little bit better than expected, as was the case in the UK. Now, if that were to happen, that could cause sentiment that the FOMC meeting next week, Bernanke and his pals may keep quantitative easing to the lower end of the range. But, that would be a best case scenario. But with the expected GDP figures already baked in, it looks like there hasn't been enough good or better news there to cause the market to think otherwise. So that's kind of what we're looking at here. I just want to take a look. Let's look at dollar yen real quick. We've got dollar weakening versus the yen. Yen was stronger here. We have looks like we're right in the 80, close to 80.5 was the low earlier this morning. Of course, overnight in Japan, they had some economic figures came out which show that that they've got a little bit of deflation still going on there. Okay, their consumer prices ex food and energy were down 0.6%. So we still have deflation. They actually did a little bit better than expectations. Okay, but overall, they're still showing deflation, and it could be a sign that the stronger yen is affecting their economic recovery. Meanwhile, even though the euro is currently strengthening versus the dollar, okay, it was lower to start the morning as, boy, let's get this update. Come on. Oops, looks like I'm having some chart issues. Let's keep moving along. But the euro was a little bit lower as Euro Summit came out, and they were addressing some of the European debt crisis issues that are taking place over there. Meanwhile, we've got the pound. Pound is higher versus dollar. Okay, you can see it's just giving back a little bit here. So perhaps the market is flipping its sentiment around here. Got a nice long tail happening just ahead of that 160 figure that's been acting as sort of a tipping point on support and resistance. So that's kind of what we're looking at today here. We're going to see how the rest of the economic data comes out this morning. We've got some other releases due here. We're looking at personal consumption figures a little bit later, and then we've got the Michigan consumer confidence numbers as well. So it looks like this morning we haven't quite flipped around to risk taking, but that could happen at any point. So happy Halloween to all, and good trading to all.
As always, be sure to check out the written blog at www.fxedu.com to get complete coverage of today's Forex market. If you would like to learn more about how to trade the Forex market from professionals like myself, be sure to check out our affordable Forex trading courses. And if you're already a seasoned professional or aspire to be one, ask us how we can help you achieve your Forex goals. Go to www.fxedu.com to get started today.